Hey guys, Zimmer here. And yesterday, or the day before yesterday, I made a video called Calming Sounds. And if you haven't watched that, please do watch that before this video. Well, you don't have to, but I would suggest doing that. And because I played a song in Calming Sounds video on the guitar called Rainy Day. And so in this video, I'll be teaching you how to play Rainy Day on the guitar. So you see here, I have the guitar, and yeah, now let's get to playing. And before, I might have up here, right here on the screen, I might have, or I probably will, have which fret I'm holding my finger down on, which if you don't know what the frets are there, the frets, I forget, no. They're called, but they're the things below the strings, right here. This little gold thing, where they go all here, and they're numbered. And yeah, now I'll see you when we start. Okay, guys. So this is gonna be sort of hard, but we're playing from the 5th fret down. So this is the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Playing from this fret all the way down. And so, yeah. First thing I'm going to do, what I did is hit the top string with the open finger, and hit the lower string at the same time, so, like this, with holding the fret. Now, I pluck the guitar like this. It helps me, and I'm also a bass player, so it's like, geez, guitar. I hit this top string open and 5th fret, so open and so I hit that 3. That was hideous. Anyway, so what I'm doing is hitting the open string. Same time hitting this string right here, the low string, and so I hit this, once like this, and then I hit it 3 more times. So in all, it's like this. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now practice ahead. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I'm going to show you what I'm doing on that same thing, but on the other side. Okay, guys, so you see this right here. Oh, geez, it's very uncomfortable. I don't know why. Let me rearrange myself. Okay, guys. So this is, now I'm going to show you what you're doing instead of all the way down here. I'm going to be showing you how to do it all the way up here. So I'm basically doing it on, basically doing the same thing. Now, if I had a better editor, or super good at editing, I might actually ask Mr. G to do that, but I would have 2 strings. But I can't do that, so what you gotta do, if I situate myself so you can see it, what I'm doing is basically hitting this way on the fret. Oops, wrong string. It's like this. So hit the thumb on this string the first. I just usually pinch him and then go. Not that hard, like, wait. So yeah. So yeah. And back to the other side. Okay, guys, so you have it right here. You see this? Right back here. And so first you play the first thing that I just taught you. So you know that we've been practicing over and over again. Now for the rest, I'm doing that same hand motion, but on my hand is on different frets. So we want to hit this fret now. So we go. And now this. So we do this fret first. 5th, 5, 4. And now what you want to do is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, open, 5. We'll talk about that all the rest of the video. So again, we would hit this first. Then we have to move it. Then move it again. So yeah, that whole thing is the majority of the song. Blah. So now I want you to practice that for a little bit. So pause the video, and then practice that a little bit until you get it, and then I'll teach you the rest of the part. Okay, guys. So you should have practiced that. You should have. And now I have to do that whole scale. So I just did 2 times or scaly thing. You can after you do that, you want to hit the open string and this string. Play. So we want to hit the open string and that, and do the same thing with the open string, which is the same string, just open. So. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just show off my voice. Might not be high enough. So let's try that in full song. So yeah, let's try that again. And so yeah, after you do all of that, you should practice first. Okay, you should have practiced. Now, you should be able to play this song in completion. So I'm going to play that with you one whole time. The whole song one more time again. And yeah. Okay. So what I did in the calming sounds video is I played what I just taught you how to play, but 3 times. And yeah, so you should practice that 3 times. And yeah, then after a while of practice, you will get it. So yeah. Hey guys, I'm back full mode without the guitar over there, which you shouldn't be able to see. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe for more music videos. And if we pass 17 likes, I will make another music video for you guys. So yeah, keep liking if you like music videos. And so yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.